Alright, so this is going to be a cold start video of a 1970 Ford F100 Explorer Custom. So we're going to put the key in the ignition here, and it's actually on the left on the dash instead of on, the steering column. But, well, let's see how she does. Oil lights on. This is obviously for startup. Just going to give it some gas here. And let's start her up. Piece of cake. As you can see, I just put it at a high idle with pushing the accelerator pedal, and go take a look around. Take a look around at the truck. Well, thanks for watching.